RC stunt cars have managed to become one of the most purchased RC car types for the last 2 years. That is the 7th RC stunt car that I have. Now I realize the differences between the stunt car I bought 2 years ago and that stunt car. Before they became popular, they only had wheels that could rotate 360 degrees. Later, models that can rotate 360 degrees around themselves, called vortex, began to be released. That is my second vortex model stunt car. It is important that these cars come with a powerful battery, because they consume a lot of power when turning around. If you prefer the ones with a low capacity battery, this means that you will run out of battery sooner. It has a more solid plastic compared to my first vortex stunt car. I have rotated this RC car for a long time to drain its battery, but I have not succeeded in depleting its battery. I think I can use it for at least 10 minutes on a single charge. If the battery is strong but the chassis of the car is made of fragile plastic, this means that it will be vulnerable to impacts. Some models do not have a music and LED lighting system. They have also been added to this new product. You can find many alternatives as this model of RC cars has become very popular lately. These RC car manufacturers have to constantly innovate and make a difference, because too many companies produce them. I'm wondering what will be added to it next year.